So let's say that you want to create a YouTube banner for all devices, so a banner that will display on TV, mobile and desktop. You can do that really easily in the free version of Canva or Canva Pro. So step 1, open up Canva. Step 2, type in YouTube channel art into the search box. And then select that option. And then select create a blank YouTube banner. So now we have the blank artboard, and what we need to do is create safe areas. So we need to create an area for mobile devices, an area for desktop, and as you can see, the whole frame that's here would be the format for TV devices. So what we're going to do first is go to Elements, select Square, and we're going to zoom in. So hold down Control and plus just to zoom in a little bit. So we need to make this square into a rectangle that's 1546 across and 423 down. So I'll show you how to do that. So we can just zoom out a little bit. So Control and minus. Okay, and I'll just drag the edge of that, and you'll see that the number's changing. It's increasing. So we'll need to get to 1546. And I'll just zoom in a little bit, so that's a bit easier. There we go, 1546 across. I'll need 423 down. So we'll just get the top anchor point and drag that downwards slightly. And there we go, we've got 423. So we've now got 1546 across and 423 down. Okay, and then the next step now will be to just highlight that rectangle, select position, select center, and then select middle. So position and then middle. Okay, next step, go up to File, and if it's not already selected, you can select Show Rulers and Guides and press Enter. In this case, we've already got the rulers selected. All we need to do now is create our guides. Okay, so we just need to click and drag the guide to the left hand side, click and drag the guide to the right hand side, and then click and drag the guide to the bottom edge, and then click and drag the guide to the top edge of that rectangle. So we now have our guide set up. So this area from here to here, from left to right in the centre, would be visible on desktop. The grey area will be visible on all devices, including mobile, and the entire artboard will be visible on TV. So now we've got the guide set up, we can delete this rectangle, and we can go to templates and bring in a template, or we could just create our own from scratch. It's really up to you. In this example, we'll use one of the templates. So we'll select this one, and it's dropped it straight in. And what we can do is we can delete any elements that we don't want or that fall outside of the main areas. So I like my information to be in the area for mobile viewing, so that is viewable on all devices, so that's the section here, but you can have things that fall outside of that. It's really up to you. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this image here, and I think I'll delete this element here as well, and I'll delete that. So let's say that you want to change the image. Really simple to do, so we'll just reposition that, resize that and reposition it. Okay, and then you just go to Photos and select a photo. You can upload your own, or you can use one of the stock images in Canva's library, but we'll select this one. So we'll select this image and we'll click and drag and drop that in. If you double click within that image, you can reposition that. Brilliant. And what we're going to do is we're going to click and drag and highlight all of this section here, and we're going to move it across. Okay, and we're going to just change this text here, just type directly into that after you've deleted it. And we might delete this one actually as well. Or we could add in something else. You could add in your social media handle. Yeah, and we can change the colour of the entire template if we want to. Really simple to do, I'll show you how to do that. You can even duplicate elements that are on the page. So I'll just duplicate this element, I'll move it to the section here. So in that section it would be visible on TV devices. And to change the colour of the template, we select styles, and we can select any of these to change the colour across the whole design. Okay, and we can change font styles as well. We just double click on that and we go to the fonts icon, and we can select anything that's here, or we can type something in. So I'll choose Montserrat Classic. Oh, well, maybe semi-bold. Let's go for semi-bold. Okay, and you can select change all to change that across the whole of the template. So that's all there is to it. All you need to do now, once you're happy with your design, is go to share and then select download and save it as a PNG. So make sure file type is PNG and then select download to your computer, and then you just upload that design to your YouTube channel art in the customization section of your YouTube channel. So I hope that's been helpful. Thanks for watching.